The man investigators believe killed 4 University of Idaho students was in court today. The defense team for Bryan Kohberger is now asking the judge to postpone the trial. The reason is because the defense says that Kohberger will not be able to get a fair hearing.
Fox 13's A.J. Janivel breaks down why Judge Stephen Hippler told attorneys not to expect any changes.
We are not prepared to go to trial in this case.
Bryan Kohberger's defense team asking Judge Stephen Hippler to push back the start of the quadruple murder trial, slated to begin August 11th. Kohberger's attorney told the judge their team has not had enough time to go through the massive amounts of information and evidence in this case. Another reason for the request is the attention Kohberger's case is getting.
Based on the media coverage, the Dateline issue that has been talked about in this courtroom before, and what's yet to come.
Defense attorney Ann Taylor telling the judge books, documentaries, news reports, all focusing on her client, make a fair trial nearly impossible.
There'll always be another thing and another thing and another thing in the media for as long as this case goes. So, and the other thing, I think he got tired of the defense saying there's too much discovery and we can't read it all, and only the lead lawyer, Ann Taylor, can read it all. And he's like, you have staff, you have summaries, you have AI, you can have ways to digest this information. So his patience, I think, is kind of up to here.
Ann Bremner is a local legal expert. She tells me it's the defense team's job to try everything they can to save their client.
There's no right to a perfect trial. There's always a right to a fair trial. I mean, we can't have perfection. And the judge is doing everything he can to insulate that jury, that they won't be tainted by what's out there.
In court, Judge Hippler did not make an official decision on the request, but sent a clear message to the attorneys.
As of now, I would tell you that it's likely you're going to trial on the date indicated.
Reporting for Fox 13 News, A.J. Janivel.
Well, even more attention is expected on this case as James Patterson is set to release a book about the killings next month, and Amazon Prime is airing a docuseries. So just when you thought, wow, this case couldn't get any more attention, it does.
Well, we have a series of documentaries to take you inside this case. It's called Bryan Kohberger, Inside the Idaho-Murders. You can find that documentary series both on Fox 13's YouTube page and on the Fox Local app.